Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Blair.
Good morning, good morning.
It's a chilly day here in Plet. It just rained itself silly yesterday and it's still a bit moody, but we thought, hey ho, might as well get out and enjoy the day. So yeah, despite the weather, we've come out to a spot in Plet called Robberg Nature Reserve. It's a beautiful little peninsula that gives you incredible views. So yeah, hopefully we won't get rained on.
Hopefully we won't get rained on. Also, this point is pretty famous for offshore shark sightings. There's a breeding colony of Cape fur seals around here, and the sharks cruise around the point and pick them up as they're entering the water. So hopefully we see something like that. So got the binocs ready,
Yeah.
just in case.
Let's do this. So we're at the start of the Robberg hike. Hopefully you can hear me with this wind, but behind me is Robberg Beach. There is a wreck over there. You can see it being exposed every now and then.
There's really nice snorkeling along this little edge here.
They do seal pup snorkeling actually as an excursion, just off the rocks. I wouldn't do it, but some people would. So we've just bumped into a guy who works in the nature reserve, and he's also a guide along this trail, and he was saying that this area behind us, this stretch of ocean very close to the shore where it's quite shallow, they call it the shark zone, and apparently this is where the great whites kind of chill and wait for some of the seal pups from the colony up ahead that might swim astray, and feed them for a little snack. So yeah, he said we should have a good chance of seeing them. There's also been some southern right whales in the bay, and there is, as I just mentioned, a full seal colony up ahead just on this peninsula point. So we are keeping our eyes peeled for some great white sharks.
You saw it coming, but looked away. Now they are running from your jealousy. You have been living in a house of cards. You watch them fall into another's arms. Now you're left counting the hours. There's no rest, the voices get louder. You protect the lies that surround you, while they dip their feet in your water.
We've dropped down to the other side of Robberg, and we're now on the exposed side of the peninsula where all the open ocean swell is kind of sifting in. This is the direction that the storm is approaching from, and it's a completely different climate. It's chilly, cold, the sea is wild, windy, so we've zipped up and yeah, I think we're going to try skedaddle onto the car. We've got a good few kilometers under the belt so far, and we've got
a good few kilometers.
Yeah, and we've got an awesome spot lined up for this evening.
There's no rest, the voices get louder. watched the whole thing falling down, and now you're left here to bleed it out. Your head is hurting and spinning round. You left with nothing, you hit the ground.